Hey, what's up? So you are a SaaS founder or SaaS marketer, then this video is specifically for you. So you are thinking about how to grow your company and you are using ads. So most of the time that means you are looking for inspiration and also ideas to make your ads perform in a better way. And in this video, what I will do is I will talk about 11 different types of ads that are commonly used across the best SaaS companies out there. And I will go through all of the 11 different types, and this can give you an inspiration on how to design the ads for yourself. And also, if you want some more inspiration, you want a swipe file with over 200 high-performing SaaS ads, then take a look at the description below to get that freebie. But let's jump in for now with the first type of SaaS ad. So the first type that we are always seeing are so-called numbers ads. So basically what you are trying to do is put a huge claim up there, and this claim could be about an increase in output. This can be a reducing of costs, and these numbers can actually be tied to a specific case study. So in this case, Canva was using a specific case study that they were doing with Salesforce, and they are putting this number down. And obviously these ads perform very, very well, because if I'm scrolling through my feed, I will stop at this number because I want to learn, okay, what does this actually mean? And in the end, most of the decisions are made numbers driven. So if I am thinking about buying a new software, I want to read through the case studies and really see what it can do for me, also to calculate my ROI. Numbers can be tied to case studies, as I said, can be tied to your product, but it can also be something like used by 100,000 other marketers around there. So come up with some ideas and then try it out for yourself. The second common ad type that we are seeing across SaaS companies are lead gen ads. So there are two main ways most companies are doing lead gen. It's either by offering webinars, so then the ads would look something like this, or they are offering white papers, freebie, or any sorts of things. Most of the time, the ads are very, very basic. They just have a mock-up. They have the people that are speaking about the topic, and then most of the time they are really, really on brand. You can try that out for yourself. It's working quite well for most companies. The next type of ad is actually a press ad, as I would call it. So basically what they are trying to do here is they are trying to use a well-known logo out there, for example here TechCrunch, and trying to take what they've been writing about their software, putting it on the ad, so that me as a person who sees the ad thinks, okay, TechCrunch is writing about this new fancy stuff that's happening out there, and I want to try it out for myself. So they are borrowing the trust of a third party, and yeah, that's basically how a press ad works. Next up are social proof and testimonial ads. So testimonial ads in the most simple way can just be, hey, this is the person, this is what the person said, and this is the company that the person works for. Obviously, the more closer this company is to the company that I'm running, for example, the better. So make sure to make your testimonial ads really, really ICP targeted, let's say, and also the bigger the company or the more well-known the company, the better for you. This is another example where Canva was pushing out an ad. They were using FedEx in this specific case, also trying to give it a more human touch by including the photo of this real person, because we all know with these testimonial ads, a lot of fake is out there. So if there's an actual photo, if there's the actual role of this person, then it is more trustworthy. And also they were including the ICP here. So marketing, they are specifically saying, okay, this is relevant for marketers. And then last but not least, also in the social proof ads, you can also use something like platforms that are actually comparing different tools. So G2 here, #1 payroll service provider. Then here we just have a ton of reviews from Software Advice, and they also have a 5.0 rating on Forbes Advisors. So basically they are putting all of the social proof they have here on one ad and trying to push it out and actually try to get awareness. Another very important thing or very common thing is comparison ads. So in this specific case, two companies are actually compared. So basically Cognizant here shown as the tool of choice, and then Zoom Info, the tool that probably a lot of people are using right now. And most of the time it's also quite easy to target specifically people, for example, that follow the Zoom Info page. And really showing here, no, the data is not as well as the one from Cognizant. So comparison ads, also something really cool, and always think about ideas how you can actually do it for your own company. Then next up are offer ads. So offer ads, the idea is really to have something bottom of funnel and really pushing someone to take action right away. In this case, it is basically an offer that reduces the price to use the software, or here you even get 4 months for free. These offers, as I said, bottom of funnel, really trying to make the person that sees them take action. Another type of comparison ad is like the before and after. In this case, we have Webflow. Webflow is a tool that is used to translate websites. And if you have been translating a website before, you know that these are some of the pain points. Duplicate pages, high cost, all of this. And what they are showing here, if you're using Webflow, actually, life is way, way better. So you should try it out for yourself. This works well for a lot of companies that are in the software space because you can really show the different pain points and then your solution towards it. The next type of ad is actually a statement ad. And a statement ad is basically you can tell the world whatever you think about your product. And in this case, Zapier is stating, hey, having an easy and secure automation isn't something crazy. Just use our tool and you're good to go. So you can do the same for your product and be very, very bold about what you say and also about the visuals. Next up, my favorite type of ad. It's actually a fun ad. So the thing is, when you are doing marketing for B2B software companies, you often have the problem that you don't have an actual product to show. It's not something like a shirt that you are wearing or a supplement that you are taking or a phone or something. So it's super, super hard to have the attention of the person that sees the ad. So sometimes it's a really cool idea to come up with these fun ideas to visualize what your product is actually doing. And Walnut here really shows, okay, if you're using them, your demos will be 10x better to what it was before. And a lot of the ads that we were designing that were fun ads have been performing super, super well recently. And make sure to also download our swipe file with more inspiration for these fun ads. Next up are product ads. So for product ads, most of the time you are showing some sort of screenshot from your product and you are talking about the features of your product. This can be general or this can be super, super specific. So for example, here with Gusto, the thing is payroll runs normally take a lot of time and money. And they say, hey, you can do as many as you want, doesn't matter at all. So the person that is working in that fields already feels this sort of relief because they know one of their main problems is solved. Another example here is from Webflow. They are going even one layer deeper and they are specifically talking about the integration between Webflow and HubSpot and are saying, hey, this is like integrated in such a good way that you won't have any issues. It's super, super seamless and specifically relevant for the people that are working with HubSpot already and now are thinking about using Webflow. And last but not least, we call it the free ad. It's basically if you are offered something for free, if you are booking a demo, buying a tool or something like that. So in this case, it's Ramp and they are offering free AirPods Pro if you are taking a demo with them. So I don't know how well these ads are performing, but I assume quite good in terms of upper funnel clicks. I don't know how the conversion is, but worth trying. And also, for example, Ramp is always using these super bright colors, making it really pop out in your feed. I hope you liked the video about these different SaaS ad types. If you want to learn more about marketing and design, make sure to follow the channel below. If you have questions, drop them also in the comments. And if you want to have our swipe files, also make sure to check out the comments below. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye.